out on the fields again. I'm out on Bill's permission. I'm back out with my wife. Hello. Say hello. We're both out with the Knox 900s. So yeah, enjoy and see it the first hole, no matter what it is. Thank you very much for joining us. Oh, it's a 1920. Let's have a look. Slightly off. Oh, what we got? What we got? Oh, we got a button. A pewter button. Look at that. And that come up as a 20. Right then, my wife's laughing her head off, asking me what she's got. And yeah, she's got a rim, 2-2 rim fire. Still live. Oh dear.
Oh, trust me. Whoopsie daisy.
Oh well, never mind. What is that? That's what it's going to be. Just a metal peg of some sort. Right, I've just got a heart stopping moment. I think I know what it is going to be. But look at that. Gold edge for a ring pull. You git. My heart just stopped. Never mind. I hit the gold, but not the kind of gold that I wanted. It's a gold ring pull. 61, 62, occasionally goes to a 63. And what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, gold button. A gold button. Never mind. How strange. The machines are set up the same.
I'm not getting it though. No?
Right, we've got 74, 75. Let's have a look, shall we?
I've got a dug one.
Well, we can always factory reset your machine if you want. Right, it's gone up to an 80, 81 now. Oh, that didn't sound good. It's out anyway. So what we got? What have we got? Yay! Button or a coin?
Or a washer.
Hey! We're on a coins. Or are we on a button? I'll have to spray that up. I think it's a coin. I think. It should be a coin with them numbers, but it is very thin. So let's just give it a spray. I'll get back to you.
Well, we're about a mile away from the van now.
What have we got here?
Well, next time you can have the bloody rucksack with all the sarnies in there.
I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's glass. That's lead. Looking at that. Oh, that's glue. There you go. Little bits of lead and looks like some glue. So, nothing important, nothing much. Well, look at that. Bloody pen. Can't believe that. That's just down there. Rang up as a 81, 82. Lovely sound as well. But yeah, unfortunately just a pen. I just got a bottle out of that hole. It's still going off, so I don't know if there's a lid in there. Yeah, don't know how old that is. Yeah, nice little bottle that is. Nice bottle. I'm still gonna dig down though because it's probably the lid. I just can't get to it. But yeah, nice little square bottle. There you go. One bottle. Just say something on the bottom. AL, I think it says AL174, and it's got various other things there, so maybe something to look up on it. I know it's not metal, but if it wasn't for the bit of can that's down there, I wouldn't have found that. Chuffed to bits. Alright, my wife's just called me over. She thinks she's either found a button or a coin. So let's have a look together, shall we?
It's round.
Yeah, it's possibly a coin. Yep, you got a coin. You know what it is?
No. No. It's quite thin. It's the size of a penny.
It's not as thick as one though, so might be a farthing or something like that maybe.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. There you go. We'll clean it up and you'll see what it is. Well done.
Yay!
Right, we can reveal it together. I think it's a button. We've got a little bit of a rim there. I think there's a shank there as well, so let's just have a look, shall we? Let's blank that side. And yeah, it's a button. Never mind. Button's a button. Looks like it might have been silvered at one stage. In fact, it might have some a little bit of writing there. I don't know. And there you go. That come up as a 41, I think it was 41. One button. Oh, I think we might have a coin or a button. Let's have a look together, shall we? Yeah, it's a coin. I don't know whether it's a nowadays penny. Probably, knowing my luck. Ah dear. It's the right colour for one. In fact, it's got lots of sides on it. It's a thrippery bit. So that's a 3p. Yeah, lots of sides.
What did I say earlier? I ain't got a shotgun. Hen. I have now.
There's my wife in the background. Happy that she's found the shotgun cartridge. But yeah, got a threepence. So 3p. Happy with that. Moo tube. It's jumping around a bit, so it's at what, 79, 80, up to 82. So let's see. Let's see, shall we? Could be a bit of can, I suppose. Could also be a coin. Numbers are jumping up now, up to 84, 85. Let's have a look with a pointer. What we're going to go for? Is it bottle top? Yep. Just a lid. Yeah, just a bottle lid. Oh well, never mind.